Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix how sensitive your left trigger is or your right trigger is on your Victrix Pro BFG controller with the Control Hub app on the PC. So if you just slightly tap it when you're in a game, you're going to aim up on a target and shoot. So you want to go to configure right here once you have it connected. Go on over to triggers, and this is really easy to do. So you can see my left trigger. We have, by default, it's going to be set to 0. I would suggest maybe going on down to 3 or 4 right here. So you can press it in just slightly, and it's going to go ahead and not register right away. So if we go to mirror dead zone right here, this is just going to move both these up and down at the same time. So you can see the right and the left trigger are going up and down at the same time. So on my right trigger, I do like this a little bit more sensitive. So maybe like 1 or 2, and then 3 or 4 over here on the left. So if you don't have this option in the game, just go to the Control Hub app and you can fix your left trigger being so incredibly sensitive. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.